Folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So yesterday, another volatile day, only an $11 range for SPY. What garbage needed more? Our top of the gamma range, 554, did not get hit, but we did clip 538 multiple times. Interesting to see these puts that crept up late day here, but that could have just been for that late day drop we saw. We did finish with a small red DEX after all of that, so we're just going back and forth, chopping around, i.e. consolidation, ranging, whatever you want to call it. Customers slid a little bit less bullish yesterday, just tiny bit down, so we're still in somewhat of a buy the dip mode, which has been working on the dips. We have had big rips. 490 to 535 is our current whale target range. We're a little above that at 539 in the pre-market session. Let's keep on trucking and check our dark pools. No big change here, 562.01. I will point out, remember how thin these all were? Now we're starting to see more flushed out dark pool levels as we go along. But if you remember the move up and the move down, these were all very light and everything was sitting on this for the most part. But that's our largest. Mark everything on your chart. Get ready for today. Checking our gamma, we're at about 539 in the pre-market session, so a little bit of adjustment yesterday as we saw 537 was really an important level to hold. Now we're at 535. Check this out. On the ag, 535 all the way down to 529 is a positive gamma cluster. So if we have downside, which would be interesting, our biggest pull is 525. So we have this huge positive cluster to repel price away potentially, but the biggest pull on the ag is here at 525. So 529 is probably a buy spot if we nuke $10 for some reason. 535 looking for a decent bounce there if flow is bullish as well. Remember, all these flow needs to be bullish, because if we lose this on bearish flow, this 529, probably heading even lower to 523. So not necessarily a buy spot, just an I spot. How's that sound? So that's our ag. Pretty simple. Got to hold 535, which is $4 away. This is so interesting on the ag. Gamma is thin. We know what happens when we have thin gamma. Volatility. Let's go ahead and check today's and see what it's like, and then get everybody out of here. So today's, taking a look, pretty simple. Nice wide range, which is where we kind of traded yesterday, but except for not this low. 527 to 541. So we're already at the top of this big range right here, close $2 away. Biggest pulls are somewhere in the middle. If we break 541, pretty thin gamma all the way up to 552. And if we cannot break 541, then we're going to come back on down this area here. Big pulls on either side. Interesting day. Looks almost like a Friday's gamma. It's such a dang mess, but we'll see how it pans out. Good day to pay attention to 0 day on change and then the net flow. That's all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.